channel. My name is Jean, if you don't know me. I do unboxings. There's a bunch of other stuff on my channel too, but primarily I've been doing mostly unboxings, and there's a playlist that has all of the unboxing videos all in one little collection, so you can binge watch or you can choose one that looks interesting. But today is a new box for me. This is actually my second one of this particular box company, but I'll show you both months that I've gotten so far. This is called Houseplant Box. I recently decided that I am old enough to have houseplants now, and so I decided to get some houseplants, and this is a subscription box that you get monthly. They have a couple of different options, and you can actually change up like what type of box you're getting whenever you want, I think. I am currently getting the pet-friendly subscription monthly box. It's $12 a month. You get one super awesome looking plant a month and a cute little plant card, and there's some shipping and handling involved, but they also have a store so that you can buy other plants if you want when they have sales outside of your monthly subscription. But here's the box itself. It fits in my mailbox, which is really cool, but I was lucky enough today that the mailman brought it to my door. So here we are, and we're going to open her up and see what we got this month. From our house to yours. Isn't that cute? So it comes wrapped sometimes in paper. This one's in paper. The last one was wrapped in plastic. And this guy, oh, I'm so excited. This looks super cool. I have a card, and it is a Maranta red houseplant, Maranta leucanura. The origin is Central, South America and the West Indies. This plant prefers indirect sunlight. Keep plant out of direct sunlight, may get brown patches. It likes 60 to 80 degree temperature. Water when top of potting soil is just starting to get dry. Maranta plants like high humidity, mist daily. Root rot and yellow leaves can occur in soggy soil. So this is all pretty much the same as other plant that I'll show you in just a second. But here's this super cool looking card. It's got all this cool information on the back, and it's a really pretty card that you can keep and sort of index for yourself, which I think is super cool. So let's open her up and see what she looks like. Oh, I'm so excited. This plant is so pretty. She's wrapped really well. I don't know why she's a she. Oh, she's got a really big tear in one of her leaves. Oh no. She's making a mess. So I'm just going to unfold some of these leaves. Beautiful. Wow, look at that girl. Look at that beautiful plant. Don't you want one of those? Look at those leaves. Gosh, isn't that gorgeous? What a beautiful plant. So, my first plant was a purple wandering Jew. And I think I made a mistake with the first plant that I'm not going to make with the second one. I always feel like my plants look crowded in their pots, but I think that maybe they need to stay in their pots, in their nursery pot, a little longer than I let this one stay in. So I repotted him almost right away, and he looks good. Like, he looks cool. And they do, the one thing about this one is they are considered invasive. So I think that this one is gonna, like, he's already got lots of, I've got 2 propagations from him already that are like rooting, and one is already planted. This one is making more like shoots way down in here already. So I think he's gonna be fine in this pot. I really can't wait for him to be a big ball of amazingness like I have seen other people's Wandering Jew plants. The name of this one is Tradescantia zebrina, which I think the zebrina part comes from the zebra stripes on the leaves. So that is really cool. This is really great. I'm really glad that I'm not getting like cheapy plants. These are really nice plants. They seem to be high quality plants. They arrive in really great condition, with the exception of this one that's got like a big cut in one of his leaves, but I'm not too worried about that because he has a lot of new leaves coming out of him as well. And they're beautiful plants. They're not like your typical normal plants that you would just like pick up at a Lowe's or a Home Depot or at Walmart or something like that. They're actually really interesting and amazing looking plants. So I'm really excited. These are the first 2 that I've gotten. If you're interested in the house plant box, I will include a link in the description box that will give you $1 off your first box. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you like plants as much as I do. Maybe if I learn more about plants, I'll do more videos about taking care of these guys and like let you know like progress updates, how they're doing. But otherwise, I'm super happy. I'm really excited. I'm buying a lot of add-ons in my summer box for FabFitFun. I've got a decent amount of add-ons. I've got a decent amount of additional customization options. It's going to be an exciting summer. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. It's going to be great. I have no control when it comes to buying stuff, and I love boxes. So yeah. Anyway, hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Bye.